Hey guys, welcome back to Calgary Music Tutor. Today we're doing Alfred's basic piano. And today we're doing first string on E. So first string E. So as you can see in your book, how the notes look, right? So E is this string. F is this string. It's on the first fret, while G is on the third fret. So now let's just get into track 2. So track 2, let's just clap it. Majority of it is just quarter notes, which is the whole thing. So it's just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Like that. So now I'll just play it. So like that. Now let's do track 3. First we start off by clapping it. It's all quarter notes the same. But this time it's a 3-4 movement. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now let's play it. So it's like that. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.